As-salamu-alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's video, we're going to learn the sign which is called Sukoon. In the previous lesson, we have learned this sign, and today we're going to practice a little more. Okay? When any letter has Sukoon sign, you have to connect the letter with the back letter. First you read the first word, then you read the second word, then you read the first word, Fatha Kasra Dhamma, and connect that letter. This sign called Sukoon sign and also called Jism. There is two names, Sukoon and Jism. So when we have to connect first letter with the second letter, read with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif ba fatha ab. Alif ba kasra ib. Alif ba dhamma ub. Ab ib ub. Alif ta fatha at. Alif ta kasra it. Alif ta dhamma ut. At it ut. Alif sa fatha as. Alif sa kasra is. Alif sa dhamma us. As is us. Alif jim fatha aj. Alif jim kasra ij. Alif jim dhamma uj. Aj, ij, uj. Alif ha fatha ah. Alif ha kasra ih. Alif ha dhamma uh. Ah, ih, Alif kha fatha akh. Alif kha kasra ikh. Alif kha dhamma ukh. Akh, ikh, ukh. Alif dal fatha ad. Alif dal kasra id. Alif dal dhamma ud. Ad, id, ud. Alif zal fatha az. Alif zal kasra is. Alif zal dhamma uz. Az, is, uz. Alif ra fatha ar. Alif ra kasra ir. Alif ra dhamma ur. Ar, ir, ur. Alif za fatha az. Alif za kasra is. Alif za dhamma uz. Az, is, uz. Next page. Alif sin fatha as. Alif sin kasra is. Alif sin dhamma us. As, is, us. Alif shin fatha ash. Alif shin kasra ish. Alif shin dhamma ush. Ash, ish, ush. Alif sod fatha as. Alif sod kasra is. Alif sod dhamma us. As, is, us. Alif dod fatha ad. Alif dod kasra id. Alif dod dhamma ud. Ad, id, ud. Alif ta fatha at. Alif ta kasra it. Alif ta dhamma ut. Alif za fatha az. Alif za kasra is. Alif za dhamma uz. Az, is, uz. So this was the Sukoon letters. You have to connect all the letters till the end. After za is ain and ghain, alif, ain, fatha. Okay. So inshallah I will come with a new video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. As-salamu-alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.